Whatever. Yeah, when we get there, we'll do that intermission. Okay. Well, hello, everyone. It's Ed and Justin from Singularity. Thanks for joining us. We're going to be unboxing Perception Neuron Studio, which is a motion capture solution that we recently purchased. So that we
I
can
don't know
use
what to do with my hands.
We can use this motion capture solution, hopefully, to capture character animations for a game that we're building, so that characters can feel more lifelike and not so robotic, from handmade animations.
Yep.
In addition to the motion capture suit, we also have a motion capture glove, which will let us capture hand animation. So that should be really helpful, especially when we're doing, games that require, characters holding things or making hand gestures, or for cinematics where they need to talk to one another. So that'll be great too.
I've already asked Ed if I'm allowed to wear the suit 24 hours a day, and he didn't seem enthusiastic about it. So
I also didn't say no.
So that is true. He didn't outright know me.
Mm-hmm.
Let's do this.
Okay,
we have more game time. Let's play with this so we can go play that.
Let's start with the suit. Let's set this to the side for a second. Start with the big box because that's the fun one, right? So here we go.
All right. Well, they've used some really high-end tape here, folks.
So while he starts the unboxing, I'm going to give a quick shout-out to the people who have followed us while we were offline. So thank you, Redneck427. Thank you, Danielle. 2P Games. Jacelina81. Ken and May 2. Darth Cobra. Potato Famine.
So many folk.
Thank you all for the follows. We really appreciate it. Thanks for tuning in.
Right. So it came with tamper-resistant tape. Actually says if this tape's been done, send it back.
I offered to tamper with tape, so that's a good call.
That's a good username. Tape tamperer.
Yeah, tape tamperer. Right.
Foam.
Greeted by a large piece of styrofoam. But it's not the annoying styrofoam that,
breaks
snaps into 1,000
pieces.
pieces. Yeah, exactly.
I will lift.
This is the good styrofoam.
You throw the box out. So it is packed kind of nicely. It's not a little bit of styrofoam on the sides, but comes in this dope tote.
Tote.
It's it seems to be the quality of a what's the brand I'm thinking of? Pelican. It does feel quite good.
That is
so it's got
some rock solid plastic. Hold on. Let's spin it. Let's spin it once. Yeah.
We talk about how hard your plastic is.
Of course. Okay. So that's nice. You have to push down on this to pull it up. You can't accidentally flip it open.
The handle is
directions of force.
Much like me, kind of beefy, a little beefy,
and also kind of square.
This fucker here.
All right.
That smell is not ideal. That's not good. From an unboxing, you can't get that. But it smells like...
It smells like when you order a new memory
No,
foam
man.
mattress.
There's a very specific...
It's the adhesive.
Smell. It's a toy from when we were kids, and I can't think of it.
It's the adhesive gluing the foam onto the box. So that's what that is.
This is like a cord management
eggshell
thing.
foam topper.
Yeah.
Nice.
So in here we've got cords. We got looks like power cord. A dongle. Everybody knows how I like a good dongle.
We know.
So this must be from sensor to USB or something.
Yeah. Let's take a look at that. So bring this closer to the camera.
Whoa.
Camera can see. We have our Access Studio USB dongle for the suit.
So then we've got the actual, I believe this is also the charging pack, but it looks like they've got it packed full of
The smell of China. Nice that scratch. The chat's a little small. I'm gonna get bigger.
This smells a little like cancer. So, had some protective kind of blister wrap on there, and then I'm assuming I'm going to manage to drop all of this. So, we've got our Perception Neuron Studio. I'm guessing that's like a quick start guide of some kind or a manual.
Quick start guide.
Our very fancy warranty paperwork here. And then these are the actual sensors.
I don't know if you can see this or not. There's a great diagram on here.
Looking forward to those butt straps.
We'll put the straps on.
So these are the actual sensors. They come in this pack. I think this one is the...
It should be the hub. Yeah.
The hub that they all kind of track into. Super cool. This is also the charger. I don't know if you can see that. I'm going to pull one out. We've got the connection points on there that are mirrored down inside of here. So you can actually put all of them into the dock Charge them all at once.
And not only charging them, but I believe calibration is done by
Yes.
enclosing them in the box and then rotating the box like this.
Give it a wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
Yeah.
And then, yeah, pretty cool stuff. Here, let's bring one of the nodes out and bring it closer to the camera.
I did that.
We did.
Do it again.
I'll do it again.
Get nuts.
I'll do it again. So, let's see. These nodes here kind of show you where on the body this node goes.
That's your nose.
Kinda
It's
cool.
your nose node.
Kind of cool looking on the front view. Unnecessary decal there, but looks great. Neuron logo. They're not very thick.
But God knows I am.
Oh, we know. Yeah, that should make it easy to set up, Jellington. All right.
How you read that from? I'm too old to read the chat so far
Did you
away,
not
guys.
see me lean in? You gotta lean in.
I only know what Fat Joe told me to lean back.
Fair enough. Okay.
Got
Cool.
sensors.
So, nice case, once again.
Yeah, it's up, and everything is like a
Neuron Studio.
has a genuine feel of quality. There doesn't like it when you hold it. It feels solid. There's no rattle to it. The latches feel good.
Yeah, listen.
Quite nice.
Very secure.
Quite nice.
Well done, Perception Neuron. Well done. Okay.
Is this my new Wi-Fi?
Yeah, so this is cool. This is the wireless hub. So this is the receiver. This thing actually picks up the signal that's being transmitted from the neuron nodes, and it then translates that to a signal that goes across your network to your studio, which is running on your computer. So this is how it gets from the suit to our network, which is awesome. So we can record from anywhere.
Like my
Within
bedroom.
range of this, yeah. Which we will never, ever, ever do. We promise you that. Hey, Deanna,
He's-
thank you so much
he's
for the
lying.
follow. Welcome to the stream.
Yeah, thanks for the follow.
All right. So that's cool. What else we got there?
Little cord. There's just a USB to USB adapter.
Those are my favorite. Never have too many of them.
But everybody knows what they look like.
Okay, now we've got these nice little nylon sacks.
Yes.
Wellington, thank you for the
Jiggle,
follow.
jiggle the sack. Jiggle it.
My specialty. Yeah.
Can you get a sense of the quality from the sack jiggle?
I mean, no. Okay. Let's take a look inside the sack.
Me too.
Next time we do one of these unboxings, we'll fix the camera angles for y'all.
So we don't have to do
Thank you, Jellington. It is quite a nice
This?
quality sack.
quality sack. High-end sack, if you will.
And inside the sack, we have...
It's almost
Straps.
a satchel.
So these are
Strapping on. Straps for strapping on.
the straps that the nodes lock into so that you can strap them to your body. Seems like pretty good quality.
Yeah, I don't know if you
Oh,
can
it's
tell.
elastic nylon. Yeah, elastic nylon, and they've got some like grippy feel on the side that goes to your clothing so that it doesn't slip around.
Nice.
So
So when you're wearing it over your clothing, so that you don't have to have like an integrated suit that's only going to fit one or two people, we wanted to go with something like this. It's going to be more modular. Our staff, the people who are going to be doing some of our motion acting are going to be all different sizes, right? And so we wanted something that would be modular for all of them.
The hook and loop that they use here is actually really, really sturdy. It does not come up. It does not come apart very easily, which means it should stay pretty secured throughout recording. So that's nice.
Can I hear you when you lean in?
Can you hear me when I lean in like that? Look, Hobbit approves this old man punk.
So the way that they attach, I grabbed one of the sensors, and they've got this little deal. So it looks like it's just like a drop-in and twist to lock mechanism. So, boom, sensor on, right? And then you get this thing strapped in on somebody, and you're good to go. So very cool, very easy to do.
Drop in and yeah, flashbulb. That's exactly right.
We were a little bit concerned about having to dismantle the system to charge the sensors. Some of the other ones we looked at had, you just plug the suit in and charge all the sensors at once. That wasn't an option on this one, but from an overall feature perspective, we still thought this was the best choice for us.
For sure. And one of the things that we did when we were picking out the motion capture solution for our company was test the workflow for taking things from motion capture and bringing them into our primary game engine, Unreal Engine, and seeing how easily we could translate the animation from the motion capture to one of our characters in our game, and this is one of the easiest to do. So that was nice.
It's dope that the whole system fits in this. So if we need to go to location and do something, like whole system in a box, you bring your computer and you're good to go.
Totally. We could only have a couple of these, and a single person could take 2 of these on site.
Guys, Ed just touched me. His hands are so soft.
It came with both U.S. and European power supplies. So that's nice.
This is bullshit.
Okay.
You're not recording in Europe.
Okay. But we might, right? So someday.
I mean, I'm down. Let's go.
Okay. What else we got?
Singularity European Vacation.
Mm-hmm.
If you guys buy our games, then we could take our employees to Europe.
How
It's
thoughtful
about
is
you.
this?
It's really what are you willing to do for them?
They actually gave us a Cat 6 cable, which is nice
More of these.
because sometimes you get these things and you have to hook them up to your network and they don't give you a cable and you're like, ah, man, we're all on cables. But not a problem here.
And then we have to steal them off Josh's stuff.
Yeah, and then he gets all cranky.
Yeah, he's like, where's my stuff? Jeez. So that's more of the. I think all of these bags are the sensor for wearing the sensors.
Old man Pong wants to go to Europe.
And a giant desiccant bag. I don't think this is part of it. But
Can I eat this?
I've heard it's quite tasty. So there we go.
So that's it. But I want to take this moment and show you how,
How organized the
form
inside
fit all this casing is. You can see when you put stuff back in here, it should be pretty clear where everything goes. Right? And Chinese flavor. Oh, sad. But yeah, this
It's like-
keep things nice and secure. As you can see, it's kind of
It's like a packet of ramen flavoring.
thing as well. So now the anti-unpacking video, we're going to pack it back up. Right in front
Let's
of
see
you.
how easy this is for two idiots.
Well, first of
to-
all, we got to get cables in there.
I believe
So
that doesn't go like
So first we put cables down here. Right?
cobless.
Cobbles go down hither.
These were in there as well.
And these go in here.
We can do it if we try. Just the two of us. You and I. You like it when we sing? Is that nice? Do you like it? Oh my gosh, I must be putting it on backwards. It's almost
Upside down,
like...
upside down.
No, that's
Oh, that's
correct.
right.
That is correct.
Okay.
What I'm doing.
Okay.
That's it, man.
That's pretty good. Oh wait, nope, that's not it. Not it. Got this stuff too.
we would be frustrated if we went somewhere and didn't have a receiver.
This, I believe.
It's yep, goes like that.
It's loose. Oh, it looks like it's got a spot for an extra one, which is nice. But we'll just use it for that stuff.
Delightful. Sweet. It's pretty cool. Feels well made. That's my overall perception right out of the gate. Feels well made.
I see what you did there.
I didn't do it on purpose. So, I think we'll probably do is another video of us. Maybe we'll do this not as a stream, but just a video I throw up on the YouTube channel about how easy is it to actually set up and get working.
Yeah.
And do some quick tests or something.
We'll do a series. We'll do recording a capture and playing that back in the studio, and then we'll do another one to get it from studio into Unreal Engine.
Studio.
Yep. And maybe even then another one for Unreal Engine to another character in Unreal Engine. So some retarget.
Sweet.
That'd be cool.
All right, guys, shut up. Let's play some Ark.
Sounds good. All right.
I'm gonna
Thanks
get
for
out of
tuning
here.
into the unboxing. We're gonna take a momentary break and come back to play some dinosaur riding fun. Yeah. Don't look at me like that.
It's everything I could do not to make a your mom joke, but she's delightful.
Hey, don't.
When you say dinosaur riding, it's like, come on.
Nope. And on that note,
I love you guys. Bye.